Lately, the headlines all say the same thing. America is weakening. The dollar is dying. The future belongs to the East. But if you look past the noise, the reality is much more uncomfortable. The world might be dreaming of a divorce from the United States, but the alimony would be high enough to collapse global civilization. In 2008, the US and the Eurozone economies were equal. Today, the US economy is 50% larger. This isn't a partnership anymore, it's a decoupling. While the world talks about multipolarity, the capital is actually fleeing to New York, not away from it. Why? Because of the impossible Trinity. You can't have it all. China wants control over its currency and its policy, so it sacrifices the free flow of capital. But a currency with walls around it can never be a global reserve. The dollar isn't the world's favorite currency because it's loved. It's the favorite because every other option is smaller, riskier, or more expensive. It is, quite literally, the cleanest dirty shirt in the global laundry basket. People point to the $38 trillion US debt as a ticking time bomb. In any other country, it would be. But in our global system, US debt isn't just debt, it's infrastructure. Global banks need US treasuries to function as collateral. Without that debt, the plumbing of world trade freezes. The world doesn't just tolerate American deficits, it requires them to stay liquid. If we ignore the money and look at physics, the picture gets even darker for US competitors. China is an industrial titan, but it's an energy and food pauper. 70% of its oil travels through narrow sea lanes like the Strait of Malacca. One American carrier strike group can effectively turn off the lights in Beijing. Meanwhile, the US is a net exporter of energy and food. It sits on the Mississippi River, the cheapest transport network on Earth. America doesn't need the world to survive. The world needs America to eat. Then there's the silicon ceiling. China can build the best electric cars and batteries, but the US controls the speed of progress. By controlling the software and the patents for the machines that make the most advanced chips, the US essentially manages how fast its rivals are allowed to innovate. Finally, there is the sea. Since 1945, the US Navy has provided a subsidy for global trade. It made the ocean safe for everyone. But as we saw in the Red Sea in 2024, that safety is fragile. If America decides it's no longer interested in being the world's policeman, shipping costs will skyrocket. The result? Europe and Asia suffer. America. It's a self-sufficient island. America's true weakness isn't a rising China or a growing BRICS. It's internal. If political polarization breaks the American institution, the system stops being predictable. We are watching an unequal marriage fall apart. The world wants a divorce, but it isn't ready for the chaos that follows. The question isn't whether America is good. The question is, can we afford to live without it? What do you think? I would like to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives.